Welcome to FinMet Monday, your one-stop shop for all things gold.
Hi, Sunil. Welcome back to the podcast.
Thank you, Shawn. Good morning and happy Monday. I thought today what we should do is maybe I want to start off with making a confession. I must confess that last week when gold was trading at 1820 and we had our podcast, I thought that the gold price would bottom out at 1800 and move upwards. And off air, you were quite bearish. You felt that there's going to be a strong downside on gold prices, which came true. It happened on Thursday and the prices came off. And so I thought, why don't we start the podcast today by getting you to give us an idea of why you have this bearish view and where you think gold prices are going to go now.
Absolutely. So my views on why I think gold is bearish is because from the past couple of months, I've been seeing that gold's movement can be traced directly to the dollar index, the movement of the dollar. The Fed has also remained very stubborn on increasing rates, and that's why we've seen the dollar index benefit from it and gold lose. Moreover, now on Friday, we saw that the non-farm payrolls data came in, which reported a very strong jobs creation rate for the month of June. So this further confirms my prediction, sort of, that I feel the Fed is going to stay on its course to increase interest rates aggressively, and gold will continue to shed a little bit more, and we might see further bottoming out going into the coming week.
So what levels do you think the listeners should be looking for in your view?
There are two levels particularly. One is the 1715 level. This is the same level that gold hit back in September 2021, where there were widespread concerns of easing the monetary policy and making it becoming more hawkish. That's when gold started seeing a massive sell-off. So that's one level that we're returning back to, and that's where we could expect gold to hold. The second level and the most stronger level is a 1695 level. So these are the two levels I feel that gold may test in the coming week or even the weeks afterwards, and we might see some buying action come in after these levels are hit.
Thanks for that. I must say, in my defense, one thing I would say is that maybe coincidentally, but the gold prices in rupee terms at least have gone up, even though in dollar terms have come down, and that's thanks to the Indian government increasing the duties. So, in my defense, the rupee price I can say has at least gone up for gold.
Absolutely. I actually want to take your point of view on that as well, which is, do you think there might be a case for gold trading on the upside this week? Any factors that you think may help gold rise up a little bit this week?
Yeah, I mean, like you said, I think it's been driven by the dollar strength that the gold prices have come off. I think at some point the market will take profits in terms of FX. We're already quite overbought on the US dollar, and so when that correction happens, I think gold will recover up. It may happen in the coming week or the week after, which is the week that the Fed is going to announce its rate decision.
Makes sense. Thanks, Sunil. I think, we'll see how the markets play out. Maybe it's not as severe as I think it might be, and maybe there might be a case where gold might be able to hold these levels or even rise for that matter. So let's see how the markets play out. And yeah, see you next Monday.
Thank you, Shawn.